Wow. Good morning, YouTube. This is Crazy Russian 86. Well, you know who I am. I can say that this is Emil here. Anyway, so this video is a video response to Sanity Such a Drag. You know, she made the comment that, you know, she understands that Tadan is a bad situation and I would be pissed off too. I understand how he doesn't wanna like talk about his bad situation and make it public. First of all, let me tell you something, okay? Tad brought all of his suffering for himself, because you know what, he worked at Canada Tires like for 3 years, right? I know exactly, but this is what Be a Girl for 12 said. But he worked there for a while, right? All he needed to do is just fucking show up to work and do his job, right? And he would be fine. Instead, he didn't go show up to work, he got couple no calls, no shows, and according to the policies of most companies in the United States, well, in Columbus, Ohio, that technically you're supposed to get fired if you do no call, no shows. So you do it twice, you get fired. What else can you expect, you know? That's the rule, you have to show up to work, you can't just call off and be fine. Like in some places you can, cause like I heard, for example, in Russia, I never worked there, but I heard from some people, like some of my friends who have jobs, I heard from them that actually, you know, you come when you want, you just work. If you get lazy, you don't feel like working, you're just not gonna make this money, but you're not gonna get fired. There, it was not that strict. If you late like 10-15 minutes every day, it's not a big deal. And that's why, you know, I was actually also late a lot to my job. As a matter of fact, yesterday I was late 5 minutes to FedEx. Nobody said anything, but I was actually 5 minutes late. I didn't want to be late. And me personally, I don't like, you know, me being from Russia, I may not necessarily like American attitudes, being so like all about being on time and all of that. And my girlfriend tells me, you know, Emil, always be on time to work, but me personally, I don't like it. I like to be late sometimes. I don't think being late is a big deal. As a matter of fact, I would change a lot of things in America, how people work and everything, but I'm kind of getting off topic here. I guess I should save that shit for another video, because this is something I actually want to talk about, because I think that's actually kind of a good topic, you know. I know a lot of people may get offended by that, but hey, you know, it is what it is, it's my opinion. First Amendment, motherfuckers, freedom of speech. I have right to express my opinion, even though, you know, people may not understand it or be agree with it. I can have a right to state it, and, you know, it's just my personal opinion. But anyways, that brought it all on himself, okay? Because he didn't show up to work, you know, he got fired, and then in Popeyes he was there for 3 days and he quit. Like, why did he quit? If I would be in his fucking situation, I would never quit. Cause you know what? No decent company wants to hire me either. I don't know how to make a nice looking resume. I don't know how to fucking market myself. All the jobs I can get is like FedEx. But you know what? I work there like 40-45 hours a week, almost like 45. I get okay paychecks, I'm staying over sometimes. I'm working hard, I'm trying to be best loader. Now I have a college degree from like 9th best school. Yes, I know my grade sucks, you know, I had pretty terrible grades. As a matter of fact, I saved the extra quarter just to get my degree, but I have an accounting degree from Fisher College of Business in Ohio State University. And I cannot get a decent job because I don't know how to market myself. But you know what? I make about, after tax, close to fucking 3 grand a month, okay? Because I work my ass off. I cannot get a better job more than like 14-15 bucks an hour myself, and I'm a foreigner, and I'm like 8 years younger than Todd too, but I'm working my ass off, and I'm never calling off. Yes, sometimes I'm coming late, but I never call off, you know, and I'm trying not to be late that often. To FedEx, I'm not late that often. I usually not late, but the other day I was late because of the traffic and because, you know, I was making video. I left at my usual time, but then there was some traffic like when I was getting to my work, so I was like 5 minutes late because of this fucking traffic. And if the traffic wouldn't be there, I'd probably be on time because, like I said, I was leaving at my usual time and I got a little late just because of that bullshit. So yeah, I work my ass off. I always on time. I always no, I say sometimes I'll get late to work. I do. I have problem with that, but I do my job. I do what I can. You know, sometimes people at the job pisses me off, like at my nursing home job, like I cut my hours personally. It was my decision. I didn't have to do it, but I chose to do it because I got tired of bullshit. I got tired of, you know, the fact that people, you know, messing with my day, the ways I work. And I understand their point of view, but hey, I made a decision for myself that I don't want to work much in the company like that because this is not a good fit for me. I can do it because I work at FedEx and that's like better for me personally, and you know, it's different structure, it's a different type of job, so, and I just don't agree with the way people do things at that job now a little bit. I understand it, but I don't agree with it, so you know. But that's subject for another video. I will discuss it later in different video, but like I said before, but these are my things, you know, and I never get fired. Well, I was getting kind of laid off from some job because of some shit before, and once people didn't pay me, like they shorted me $250 in Riverside Hospital. You know, I had that happen when they didn't pay me for like 3 days of work. And I was contingent, so it kind of sucked, but I work, you know, I don't drink, I try my best to make it. So what Todd is doing, because he's a fucking alcoholic, he drinks himself to death and then he doesn't show up to work and then he's miserable. Well, he's bringing all up on himself, okay? It's not my fault that he's fucked up, it's not his friend's fault, it's all him. He's fucking his whole life up. He's bringing suffering all to himself, and he talks about it on the internet. So sanity is such a drug, you cannot like really blame me for that, because Todd brings it on the internet. And then I watch videos of Beer Girl for 12 where she's talking about that stuff. Well, sometimes she deletes the videos, but still she puts it out. So if other people put that shit on the internet, shit, I have a right for video response and using that shit, you know. They're bringing all out on to himself, and then, you know, of course people being pussies and they're deleting their shit, but you know what? I leave it, you know, I don't care. People still put it on the internet, so once you put it on the internet, you know, you're the one who started this shit, right? Not me. I'm just responding. There is no law stating that I cannot respond to the videos and making video responses and saying what I want to say. Now, I know Todd feels really butthurt and pissed off, and he's been in such a mood before and he doesn't want to talk to people, but I have a right to ask him a question: why did he quit his job? You know, maybe he just cannot answer it, maybe he's just emotional and butthurt. And you know, we all have our moments, like I also have problems, like for instance, you know, sometimes I get mad for no reason. Well, it seems for people I get mad for no reason, but I do have a reason. Like sometimes I get mad because I remember bad things people did for me before, and then at the job I just feel like pacing or jumping around, and my girlfriend knows that. She's just like, Emil, you're acting crazy. She tells me that, but like sometimes I do that because I just, you know, I remember all the bad things people did to me and I'm just get mad, you know, sometimes out of nowhere, and I'm thinking about, you know, kicking some ass and beating people up, which I cannot do in this fucking country, unfortunately. which is kind of sucks in my opinion, because some people are pieces of shit and shit should be cleaned up, but it's a whole different story. Some people deserve to be beaten up because, you know, they're pieces of shit, they deserve it. Some people do, in my opinion, and it sucks I cannot punch anybody in the face because then I will be a bad guy, but it is what it is America, land of the fucking free. So, but like I said, it's my personal issues, but it is what it is, you know. But sometimes people do piss me off and I don't agree with the way people work and do things. I have that issue myself and I get mad at people, and then I can get my frustrations when I at my other job I just can remember and think about it and just get mad by thinking about bad things happen to me. And I know, and then I'm thinking, you know, that's weird, and I kind of, it's difficult for myself sometimes to control myself. Like I can completely understand it. I always had problem controlling myself. As a matter of fact, that's one of the reasons why I went to school in Russia a year late, because of my behavioral issues. Now, I didn't go to fucking school for special kids or mental kids. I actually went to normal Jewish school, but I went to school like a year later than everybody else. Like everybody goes to school in Russia when they're 7 years old. I was 8 years old, so I mean, I have these problems. I have an anger issues and people piss me off and I don't agree with society and things like that, but hey, at least I hold couple jobs and I make good money because it's more important. And at FedEx, people were inviting me to the birthday and trying to talk to me, and I'm trying to be cool. I'm trying to be less angry, you know, trying to work on myself, you know, trying to not to get angry for no reason, like trying to keep myself cool, even though I remember bad things people did to me at other jobs or other places, or people don't give me money what they should, and I don't like irresponsible parasites, you know. Like me personally, if it would be my way, if I would make a law, I would make a law like this. If you ask somebody for money, person can call up on you and put you to jail. If I would be president, that's what I would do. But anyway, that's just all kind of things. I have my own ideas, you know, but that was one of the things. I don't like irresponsible parasites, you know. I don't like subhumans. Maybe I won't be kill 5% all the unemployed people. I'll just send them to fucking fight with ISIS with no fucking guns and fuck with them. I will abolish welfare, but they just me though. You know, I'm just pissed off, but yeah, but these are my problems. So like, you know, but I try to do my best and work with it and like go to work and try not to get mad, you know. I'm working on that shit. So Todd, you also can work on yourself and, you know, just admit your, you know, your challenges and say what you think. Like, I decide to quit the job because like me, that's the difference between me and Todd, right? Like, if they ask me why did you decide to quit the job, I'll start thinking, I give people an answer, you know. But Todd, he's just such a pussy that he just, he just gets mad, he just gets frustrated. And when people tell me, oh, don't put his life on the internet, but like I said, he does it himself. I'm sorry. I think that Todd would be a bigger man if he would just make the video and he admit to himself, you know what, Emil, the reason why I quit this job is because I feel ta-ta-ta. It's like a therapy session, you know. I'm really trying to help this motherfucker out, really, the way I'm looking at it. And he was talking worse things about himself either, like that public is saying weird shit like, oh, I never had blow job in my life, and he's like 38 years old. I want women to fart in my face, pretty girls fart, all of that weird shit. Like, people who watch these videos, they probably thinking that this guy is fucking crazy. So really, it's not like I'm damaging his reputation. He talks all kind of crazy shit about himself, by himself, so shit, don't put it on me. You know, don't even fucking put it on me, because really, I'm not putting Todd down as bad as he puts himself down every day, every video he makes, and then he deletes them, but there are people who still have the archives of Todd, and they will be always there. There's a guy, Country Chef Beer Boy 92. He just re-uploads Todd's videos and leaves them dead, and there's a guy, Wiseman's Committee, who makes fun of Todd all the time. So the shit Todd put out like years ago when he was talking about fart fetish, all of that, that will be always on the internet. And that's fucking weird and embarrassing. It's way more embarrassing than us answering the questions, why did you quit your job at Popeyes after 3 days of working there? Okay? But that's just my opinion. So, I know it was kind of a long video and I was talking about myself, Todd, and all kinds of shit, but hey, I needed to let it out. All the best to you guys. Later!